Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell about you the buffers, but before starting this video guys, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start the video. Buffers addition of a little strong acid or base causes a change in pH and solution. For example, addition of one drop in the concentrated HCl to all liter of the pure water and drops the pH of the system from 7 to 8 in the result of 100 tensions acids in the illiterate and per week in the acid form salt, example by the mixing acid HOC in creation in the butter solution. It courses as negative expanded the pH value lower of 7 for the solution will be acid of the value higher than from the solution will be basic and molecular level of life. We must have almost perfect control over acid base balance of body and fluids in HD of the blood. Concentration must remain close it to the drops of 1x moid and divides is very necessary into the acid, and similarly if a base sodium hydroxide added to the buffer solution action and in the acid react of the hydrosodium exchangers and water. The water very little in cannot bring in the performed H change principle of the buffer at work inside the cell of the phosphate buffer, and it consists of pairs in the pH2 and pH2 in the nitrogen and dihydrogen phosphate and the hydrogen phosphate of the acid member of the buffer solution and the phosphate iron in the encouraging base of buffer solution and naturalize added to the system as it is a good proton acceptor. One buffer action mixture in the salate boric acid and sound in the hydrogen carbonates and borates of the potassium hydrogen phosphate and the radiations of the phosphate. It is the major solutions of the negative and the buffer solution are abundant in living plant cell and play vital role in their existence. The organic catalytes of life generally function within in the narrow pH range, and the slight change of pH impairs are completely inhabited activity for the which can be believed for the responsible of bringing and cell result in opening the and closing of the phosphorate. In much sensitive pH games change energy reaction, especially formation of ATP, are the catalyzed by enzymes and their normal working of the required optimics in the range. Buffer are used in the bacteriological functions research to the maintain of pH culture medium bases during to the reproduction bacteria product acid. The result change of pH and buffer are added to these media which prevent pH changing. Okay guys, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, Do comments and share with other friends. Take care.